so I can teleport us both there instantly. Teleportation magic?
I was almost giving up on this plant, so look, call me. There's a new one. We got a new baby coming, and this one. So I cut off these ones were falling off. And let's go check the other one. And guess what? We have a new baby sprouting. We have a new baby. Aki imeanza kugrow. Oh wow. Acha tuende tuamwagie maji sasa. Aki nakwambia nowadays I just wake up to plants. Oh, even this one is budding. Oh, huyu kanatokelezea. This one kameshikilia vizuri, and then the prayer plant over there. New birds. Then this one has just funguka this morning. This one. Yeah. Look, a new bird is coming. Ah, yeah. So we are going to get the sand to add on to the flowers. You see, we are supposed to add sand on all this. Naona ni kama zimepungua pungua even over there. Yeah. Let's go, boo boo. It's a beautiful day. So beautiful. We're gonna get this. The boy is just struggling. Sorry. Sorry. Good job. The lighting is definitely better from this side. Nyinyi mko waje? Mnakaa aje sasa? There. Just from showering, 2 hours later, from gardening. I can garden for 2 good hours. Can you imagine? It's so freaking addictive and I love it. So I was weeding the flowers today, adding soil to pots zenye hazina enough soil. Yeah. So zinakaa fiti sahi. I'm proud of myself, proud of the job that we have done. Tawi pia alisaidia, especially getting the soil. So we're pretty much done. I wanted to show you how it looks like right now before I have breakfast. Then I need to have breakfast. Then we go check. Have a carpenter's errand that I need to check that Tawi ameshinda anangoja sana. But yeah, tumemalizana na kuweed. This is the home look for today. Just sweats and a t-shirt, like, yeah. Also skin is giving. I'm on the lip oil. Ati sahi niko na pesa. I'm being asked kama sahi niko na pesa. Yes, niko na pesa. Mm-hmm. claim. I'm claiming it. I'm claiming the money. Say hi to them. Yeah. Thank you. You know the other miracle dream.
Number 20, number 15.
So you see all these numbers? I want you to arrange them in the right order, the way we normally start. We start from number
1.
Unbox this haul with me. This is from the Javelin Supermarket. Spot them. Bro. But I don't know. Like, I think my mom. Yeah. give you a funny story. When we picked this, I thought that I had picked actually Tawi is the one who picked it. The mom and me did not even double check to see if this was what we actually needed. Only to come home and realize that this is a seed. It's not like the spoon ya kufry. So yeah, we have a seed that we actually didn't really need because we're not even baking right now. Let me see when we I'm going to come and does much. I only see when I'm baking and stuff like that. So my used to feed my yeah. So now we have this. Chupari is chupari from chupari. That's really fun. I'm pink era. I'm using pink food. I have a clean. I already used this one. I haven't cleaned the dishes yet. But yeah, we got this one. Also, I got these coloring and sticker books. This one is for vegetables. Yeah. And then this one is for birds. Yeah, definitely. I love birds. There's a thing we've bonded on coloring and painting. So yeah, so we have this is for our art sessions. Color pencils. Oops. Then we got them crayons. I've just finished my bird, guys. It's so freaking cute. Which bird did you want to color?
This one.
So you see this one is this one, sindio? So what you do is you look at the color vizuri sana. Ukiona kama mdomo ni black, so you pick black. So look at these colors and then pick the colors that you're going to use for this one. So we're done with the meeting. It was so productive, so informative. Nini inadonjo maber. Tawi has decided that he wants all his shoes to come to the sitting room, zichilingi tu hapa, because he wants to see them every day. I'm trying to tell him to take them back to the shoe rack. He doesn't want to take them to the shoe rack. Ati hizi viatu zinafaa tu kukaa hapa akiziangalia kwa sitting room. Talk about obsession with shoes. Unashindanga umeacha the door open, so dust keeps coming. Viatu zako zitashika tu dust. Beautiful morning outside. Beautiful. So peaceful. So quiet. Say hello to the babies. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, flowers. So I'm about to water flowers. Nakwambia siku hizi the first routine I always just end up doing is kwanza na flowers. Naona ni kama ziko dry and then it's not raining, so yeah. I'm gonna give them some life, give them some water. Guys, sasa shida ni nikisha anzanga tu hivi nashindanga tu hapa the whole day. I think I should remove. Hello. Good morning. This is after watering them. Ooh! Donjo my bed, donjo my bed, donjo my bed, donjo my bed. Tunaenda kubuy paints. Is the amazing painter mwenye anafanya gates na anatoka Yuaya, by the way. Pengive inja Yuaya. Kogere squad. Finally, nobody is going to climb this wall. Sunday amewakutana na machupa papu ndege. Today we did the gate and it's so cute. Oh my god! By the way, if you follow me on the gram or on FB or on TikTok, you're about to see so many pictures from this point. Like, oh my god, it's so gorgeous. I love it. And this is the amazing crew that has done the work for us. I can really love it. Oh my god. I don't know if it's about to rain or ondiek kulo because it's also shining. That's what we say in Duo. Like when it's shining and then it's also raining, the hyena is about to give birth. So maybe ondiek kulo. The boy is here to support. Oh wow, guys, it's so freaking cute. Trust you me, I'm gonna put flowers up there. I'm gonna Thursday. First agenda of the day is homeschool. So Tari has just started. Today we just have our task is to color and rewrite the numbers, and then we have here match the numbers, and then this one, can I show them a little? And then we're going to do count and write in words. So yeah, these are the tasks for today. So now this is well done, baby. See, this is really good. What color are you doing? Number 2?
No.
Nice. Good job. I like that you're coloring really, really neatly, okay? Decided to paint this one, so we're about to go to the carpenters to show the our dining room. So I had checked out some dining inspo on the internet, and there's some that I screenshotted. I think if you follow me on the gram, they may post some. So that's what we want to go to do right now. Go to the carpenters and get a quotation. I need like about 3 different carpenters to get a quotation from. Yeah. So that's what we're about to do. So I think we're gonna carry you along with us. So come with us to the carpenters.
Enda uangalie uone shida ni nini. Kimbia. Hello.
We're coming to you live and direct from the trampoline. What you can do, Kai, bro. Wewe ni mnoma. Friday morning, we're about to fix some breakfast. Yeah, so we're super excited about the bread. We're about to fix some breakfast and then we sit down for homeschool. We want to make toast bread. I think that's the simplest thing I'll do.
Toast bread. A French toast.
French toast needs milk, egg. Now we don't have milk and egg right now, but we have blue buns, so we can make toasted bread.
Okay, let's make toast and bread.
Uh,
You give me back my toy. Did you steal it? Give me back my toy.
your tooth. Done with Charlie's breakfast. So let me just you guys on something that I'm really enjoying lately in my kitchen. So I've been enjoying coloring while the food is cooking. Yesterday when I was doing dinner, I was doing the ginger, and then I started on the spinach and didn't finish the spinach. Now that Tawi is having his breakfast, and I think I'll have my breakfast later. I don't feel like bread. Kuna hii leftover rice that I think I'm just gonna whip an egg inside it and then eat it. I have a bunch of fundis who are coming today to finish the gate renovations and also the house renovations. Our windows are being fixed today, hopefully. So yeah. Sasa nani amevunja kapinki? Na kapinki ndio kanafaa kukala machozi spinach. I'm looking for more and more activities that are grounding. It just helps me to slow down a bit, even if it's like for 5 minutes. So I like this art coloring hobby that I've picked up now because one, it helps study with school very well, and two, it's so grounding and it slows down someone. Also, I'm learning something about myself and zingine najipata sina patience. I just do ka do iende haraka so that I just feel that I've finished, forgetting that every paint stroke or every color stroke is like the thing. Like that's where the magic is at, the slowing down, the taking your time to just be present and focus and put your mind on one thing. I think that's the gag. Mm. The gag si kumaliza the painting. The gag is actually enjoying every step of the coloring. Ni kama ku travel. Yes, you want to get to the destination, yes. But the beauty is always the journey. Like the traveling is in the journey. The traveling is never in the destination. So if you say you love travel, why can't we see you enjoying travel? So mine sijui Mama Sifa Hotel, there's always Akasijui, what Babaonika Pantry Shop in some random town that you're passing by. I love the art of just being present while traveling. So I think I'm gonna adopt that one for this little new hobby of mine. That's the only way you can like still your mind and have clarity on certain things. Like when I was coloring this other side, I just realized how someone has been gaslighting me over a certain issue, and I'm just like, ooh, I was so busy running around. Wacha nitumie like a headless chicken, like a headless chicken. Like ushaiona headless chicken venye nakimbianga. Why? That thought wouldn't have come if I was running around like a headless chicken. So I'm gonna stop here because we have homeschool. So spinach and kafiti sindo. We are so early for school. We are like about 23 minutes to school time because normally we start homeschool at 10. So I decided maybe we can color the peas first as a, inaitwangaje brain jogger ndio tuanze shule. So Tawi has done an amazing job over here. So this is Tawi. Yeah, so we're about 5 minutes to start school. So yeah. Hello, how are you? Tuko salama. Karibuni, asante. The fundis are here. We are counting and marching. Lakini sasa mbona wamefanya hivi? Look, now we have to turn like this.
I want this to be color red in here.
Okay, that's okay. Then we're gonna do that. DR signboard. It's so beautiful. Oh, finally, senior painter mwenye namchukia na nampenda kabisa, lakini namchukia ndo huyo. Saturday, I'm about to head to a Thanksgiving for same day classmates, which is a funeral home that my Mom Judy owns with her friend. So yeah, this is my fit. Aki nimechelewa, but this is my fit for the day. This is a dress actually nimeiva tu hivi because I didn't have a top for inside. na nilikuwa na feel kama all the dresses are pretty short, but this is the fit for the day. Ndio hiyo kiatu, Tommy Hilfiger. Yeah, I don't even know if you're seeing me well, but yeah. So let's go to same day. Just launched a new plant. It's called Eugenia. It's called Eugenia. Tushampea gender. Happy New Month, guys! Happy New Month to you and you and you. And thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. This month of August, let me manifest with you and let you claim good health, prosperity, connections and opportunities, money, and all the good things that your heart desires. I pray that you get all of them. Thanks for stopping by. I think this vlog, sitafanya outro na intro.